Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression. 4 divided by 1 over 4 times 8. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First we do this multiplication. 1 over 4 times 8 is the same as 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the rule of operations, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division, 4 divided by 1 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for Philip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and Philip the second fraction. And here we have times 8. 4 times 4 gives us 16, so we have 16 times 8. Okay, 4 times 6 gives us 48, so we write 8 here and the carry 4 here. 8 times 1 equals 8, and 8 plus 4 gives us 12. So we have 128, and this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 128.